Hello and welcome to the Railway Room. This is a quick unboxing, whatever, of some items I picked up from a model, well, a collectible shop really, in St Ives in Cornwall on my holiday recently. So here we've got 3 wagons for £10, a bargain of a price no matter the condition of the wagons, seeing as how one wagon is now about £30. Yeah, I wasn't going to miss up on these. They seem to be in perfect working order. There's no issues. Bit dusty, bit mucky, but all the printing's still there. All the parts are there. The buffers are still intact. The underframes are, well, these N-gauge models, the underframes never usually get damaged. They're that chunky and sturdy. They're really robust. So everything's there. Everything's perfect. And a little banana box fan as well. This is the second banana van that I've got. I believe I've got another one with a grey roof. That was the first little bit. Now the second bit, this is what really drew my attention to the small collection on the shelf, was these coaches and what's in that bag. You can just about make out how much I paid for that. So 2 coaches for £12. Again, you're not going to find these any cheaper. In fact, looking on eBay, you can't find these wagons, well, these coaches anymore at all. Nowhere sells Network Southeast coaches in N scale, so these are, to my knowledge, quite rare. No interiors, of course, but N scale, you don't really need interiors. You never want to get that close to read them. They are all Graham Farish wagons. I keep calling wagons, not the coaches. The Graham Farish coaches, and here we are. This is what I really wanted from the set. £18 untested for a Class 50 in beautiful Network Southeast livery. There's a few slight problems. So the battery boxes are loose and buffers are missing on not just one end but both ends, so that's going to have to be fixed. And the gear here is missing from the axle. That's a bit of a red flag as to what was wrong with the rest of them, but at the time I didn't see what was wrong with them, and I didn't think there was an issue. I thought it was just a missing gear. But no, there were bigger problems. So there you go, 50002 Superb. The chassis itself looks to be in good condition. Just going to test the motor, see if the motor works with the battery. Now, it's a good way to test is a 9-volt battery. Just touch the wheels, and if you see or hear movement, then you know you've got a winner. So you can see movement, but only a little bit. So the motor is good, the pickups are good, just means there's something wrong with the gearing. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, do all the usual YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe for more in the future. Take care, bye for now.